Australia's southern ocean is alive with sharks. But there's also something mysterious hiding in the depths. A predator capable of eating a great white.
It was a massive shark, eaten alive. So whatever ate it was a big animal.
Filmmaker Dave Riggs has spent 11 years trying to find this killer.
It became obsessive for me. Yeah, it's a murder mystery.
Now he's uncovering new evidence.
This is the largest white I've ever seen in my life.
It's an ambush predator. It hunts by stealth.
We need to go.
He's exploring deeper than ever before.
6 sharks in frame.
This is real. We need to get to the bottom of it.
The search is on
Okay, we're going.
for the world's first
Holy man.
super predator.